Okay, so some of you may have been asking, hey, Mr. Baker, I'm looking for some way to have some sort of whiteboard where I get to draw and the students get to see me, with whatever I'm doing. And this was actually shared by Mrs. Yingling, and I thought it was a pretty cool product. And there's this website called Whiteboard.FI, and it lets you have like this virtual whiteboard. But let's say you want to have some sort of video that you're making and you want to be able to record, maybe sketch down a couple of things here and there. So I'm going to be using my computer with a webcam, and I'm also going to be using an iPad for this exercise. So right now I've got my iPad up, and I'm going to go to whiteboard.fi in the browser, and I'm going to create a new class. Just like the video says when you go to this website, it's so easy. You just set up your stuff, create your class, go through your steps here. And when it's done creating that, it's going to give you, a code that you can use to join it, which in this case, at the end of the thing, it's 24F. So on your actual computer, which you could be using like Screencastify or Google Meet or one of those other things to record, you will go ahead and join a class, and then you will use that same code, 24F, or whatever the system gives you in this case. And you'll join the class. You can, enter in your name. And then just go to your teacher's whiteboard. And let's say you want something a little bit more full screen, that they can see, or that shows up a little bit better than obviously like what you're seeing here. If you want to zoom in your web browser, go ahead and press Control and plus sign to kind of make that a little bit bigger so we can kind of line that up nicer. And then also on your iPad or other type of tablet, you could even do this on your phone actually. Click on My Whiteboard, and it'll come up with like a little graphical display where you can go. And I actually have a stylus, so in this case I'm going to start drawing on my pad while I'm talking about what we're working on. And obviously my drawing is really crap, but you can see some of the stuff that you can put on here, and then you can clear it using the tools and all that other stuff. It's a nice quick solution for just putting on your stuff if you're trying to make a video and sketch something out. Hope you guys can use this. Thanks for watching.